Hi everyone, welcome to week 6 challenge with Jay Scratcher and I, Sunday Night Fever, Houston, Texas versus the Dirty Birds. And he is on the board, he has 33, I have 55, and let's see what we shall get this week. And yes, everybody, I see my zombie finger, I love it. 007, I had to paint the fingernail, look at that, it's so cute. I just had to. I think I'm going to have to do my nails like this. Okay, and we have tickets 66 and 65. Let's start on 66. Oh, y'all, sorry about that glare. Try to get it out of the way. Okay. Symbol hunt, y'all. I know that's what I love to do. I need to find that goalpost. I've been getting the football. I have no problem with that. It's a automatic win, but definitely want to find the goalpost. Let's see if I ever find one. Okay. Do we have a number 8? Do we have an 8? No. 18. Nope. 17. 25. Nope. 20. Bunch of one-offs. 38. Okay, nothing on 66. On to 65. Get that glare out of the way. Okay, numbers are 11. Gotta show off the nail. 10, 15, 40, and 20. 26. 21. So it's going to be a bunch of another ticket of one-off. 6. See? 16. There goes the 8 we needed. 13. 24. 2. 31. 25. 9. 19. 28. 4, 34, 39, bunch of one-offs, 5, 32, and a 3. We busted this week, y'all, but it's okay. It is okay. I'm still having fun doing this challenge with Jay Scratcher. I say this every week, and I will continue to say this. I know everybody is pretty much subbed to him. If you're not, go check him out. I will have his link around here. Y'all click on it and go sub and check out his channel. He has great content. He does a lot of books. A lot of books. And y'all should go check him out. And look at my finger. Alright, everyone. Have a wonderful, blessed night. Bye.